Hi everyone, I'm Majd Aziz, and I teach Darbuka here on the channel. Today, we're gonna learn a new and easy rhythm, one of the most popular traditional Middle Eastern rhythms called Malfuf. Pay close attention, because it's simple to learn, and I'll also explain which Western rhythms it resembles to help you understand it more easily. Before we get started, if English is your first language, don't forget to check out the playlist linked in the video description. It includes all the lessons on learning the Darbuka, also known as the tabla, that we've released so far on the channel. As always, just like we did in the previous video, before we even think about playing the rhythm, we need to really listen to it first. In other words, we have to get used to how it sounds so that our hands can perform it more naturally and easily. So let's start by listening to the Malfuf rhythm, and then we'll break it down together.
Doum Tek, Tek, Doum Tek, Tek, Doum Tek, Tek.
As you just heard, that was the sound of the Malfuf rhythm. By the way, it's very similar to the Reggaeton rhythm, which is a popular Western beat. Now, let's break down the Malfuf rhythm in a simple and easy way. Keep in mind, this is the most basic form, and there are definitely more advanced variations, but that's beyond the scope of this video. So, let's get started. The Malfuf rhythm begins with a single do stroke, played like this.
Doum
It is followed by two tek strokes, played in this manner.
Tek, Tek.
Now, by combining both parts, we get the final form and sound of the Malfuf rhythm, played like this. Let's listen.
Doum Tek, Tek, Doum Tek, Tek.
Great job today! If you enjoyed learning the Malfuf rhythm, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more lessons. And for those whose first language is English, be sure to check out the playlist in the video description. It has all the lessons you need to master the Darbuka. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.